Welcome to ArchExperts, the cutting-edge platform for architecture professionals and clients to connect and collaborate. Getting started with ArchExperts is easy and quick. First, navigate to our homepage at www.archexperts.com. To create a new account, click on the Login button at the top right corner, and then select Join Free. You will see a selection pop-up asking whether you are a client or an expert. If you're looking for freelance jobs, click on Work. If you need to get work done, choose Hire an Expert. For example, if you clicked on Work, you will be taken to the registration page where you'll need to fill in some basic information. Start by entering your email address. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Then, select your state from the drop-down list. Choose your user type. Are you a freelancer, sole trader, or a business company? Select the option that best describes you. Create a strong password to secure your account. Then, confirm your password by entering it again. Check the box to confirm that you are at least 18 years old and that you agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy. Finally, click the Sign Up button to complete your registration. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox and verify your email address. Congratulations!